Number 240. The quotient of 7 times a number decreased by 19 and the difference of twice a number and 5 is 3. What is the number? So we have the keyword quotient, which means division, which means we're going to have a fraction. Now the first part of the quotient is 7 times a number decreased by 19. The second part, and, is the keyword that separates them, and the difference of twice a number and 5. And then we have is 3. Is 3 means equals 3. So what is 7 times a number decreased by 19? 7 times a number is 7x, and then decreased by 19. And, so that's the other part of the quotient, the difference of twice a number and 5. Twice a number is 2x, 5, and then we have the difference of them. So reading it from left to right, twice the number, 2x and 5, so 2x minus 5, and then is 3. So that's the equation that we could set up from that sentence. X is the number, and we need to find that number. So I'm going to write this as 3 over 1, and we could cross multiply. So here we have 3 times 2x minus 5 equals 1 times 7x minus 19, which is just 7x minus 19. Now let's distribute the 3. 3 times 2x is 6x. 3 times negative 5 is negative 15. Now let's combine like terms. Let's subtract both sides by the smaller value, by the term with the smaller coefficient of x. So that's 6x. If we were to subtract both sides by 7x, we would get negative x. We would get negative x on the left side. Now let's add 19 to both sides. The reason we're adding 19 to both sides and not 15 is because if we add 19, we're not going to have any numbers by itself on the right side. We'll just have x. So by adding 19, we move all of these numbers to the left side. 7x minus 6x is x. Negative 15 plus 19 is 4. So x is 4, which answers the question. That is the value of the number. So that's the answer.